Hey, welcome back to Report Toaster Tutorials. This time we're going to talk about the My Reports feature. This feature allows you to customize and save your own reports. So you could start with any report, whether it's one that was pre-built or one that you had already saved. But we're going to start with the orders data list. I'm going to start by adding a column here. We're going to add the customer email, search email, grab the customer email, put it there by the name. We're going to add a filter. We're going to start by filtering to 7 days. Limit that list a little bit. And here we're going to come and look at the customer type. And we're going to limit to only first-time customers. That list down a little bit. And we're going to look at those with a verified email of true. And then we're going to limit to shipping country, and we're going to make it South Africa. So we're going to get first-time customers, verified emails from South Africa. So we have our list there, maybe a leads list that we can use. We're going to sort by total price. So we're going to see which of those spent the most money here in the last 7 days. So once we're satisfied with all our settings, we're going to come up here and we're going to pick Save to My Reports. And here I'm going to call this First Time Customers South Africa. Save that. We can come to the My Reports menu. You can see it's saved there. So let's go to one of these other pre-saved My Reports. It's a saved gross report. We'll let that one load, and then we'll go back to our first time report, and there it is. Everything that was saved as we had saved it. So thanks again. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. To watch more tutorials, you can go to reporttoaster.kb.help or visit our website at cloudlab.com.